Hello everyone, my name is Philip. I bought my Parrot Disco on March 1st. I was all excited to go out in the field and fly it, but I had a flyaway. In this video I'm going to show you what happened. As you can see here, I'm out in the field trying to set up the Disco. I'm setting it up with my smartphone, trying to open the app, connect the cable, the controller, and getting ready to launch the Disco. I'm all excited, can't wait to fly it, and right here I'm ready to fly it. I'm pressing the launch button, but nothing is happening. The motor is not turning. Press it again, still nothing. Like, what's going on? The application is running, I have a connection, the controller has a connection with the Disco, but I'm pressing the button and nothing is happening. Like, what's going on? So what I did was I turned everything off, turned the Disco off, turned the controller off, and restart everything again. And the application, I turned the application off and then back on again. And then I had a connection with the Disco, I had FPV, everything looked good. And this time when I pressed the button, the motor started, and I was able to launch the Disco. Okay, on the first flight, my Disco went up to 50 meters and started doing the circles. And when I was ready, I took the control and I was able to control it, no problems, flying with no problems, and everything looked good. I had fun with it, and then after 9 minutes, I decided to land and see how I can land this thing. And even the landing was very good. I had no problems. You can see on the video too.
Udo.
Okay, after my landing, I decided to go and fly one more time because I only flew for 9 minutes. When I went to get everything set up for the second flight, the application was telling me to do a calibration. As you can see on the video, I'm doing the calibration and getting ready to fly. Everything looked good. I had connection and pressed the takeoff button, and it took off right away, no problems, and got up to 50 meters and started doing the circles. But then when I tried to take control, nothing happened. I wasn't able to control it. The control did not work. I looked at it, and then I saw that the controller had lost connection with the Disco. I had no control over it, and I got very disappointed. Then I thought, okay, let me try and see what I can do with the controller. Tried everything, see if I can get a connection back with the Disco. Nothing happened. I was trying for about 20 minutes. And then I said, okay, no problem. This thing is going to run out of battery and then it's going to land right here. So I was just waiting for it to land. 20 minutes later, instead of landing, it just took off and I lost it.